Hi guys, here's a short tutorial video on how you can use the hot export tool to to get customized. Three, two, one. Hi guys, here's a short tutorial video on how you can use the hot export tool to export customized extracts of up-to-date OSM data in various file formats. So here you see I'm already on the landing page. So export.hotosm. You can just do a quick Google search, hot export tool, click on the link, and you'll end up here. So the first things first, you'll have to log in to your OSM with your OSM credentials. So I already have mine saved, so I'm logged in. Then you can go straight to the start exporting. And here you see a four-step sort of wizard going left to right. So in the first step, what we want to do is describe what we want. So in this case, I want to grab the roads for St. Kitts. I'm going to give a brief description. So this is roads for, let's call it emergency mapping. Just some text here to fill out some metadata on the export, the project. Let's call it mapping project 2025. So yeah, just descriptive information here. Mainly this will be the name of the export, so roads and kits. So I hit next. And here you see the various formats that we can export to. So GeoJSON is selected by default. I'm interested in the shapefile. Maybe some people want the Google Earth for the KML. MB tiles, even CSV for point data. So you can select multiple, it's the main thing here, and you'll have various formats for the road feature. So on the step 3, so it's our data field. Here we have 3 options, tag tree, configs, and YAML. So I'd recommend we stick on the tag tree. It's nicely in a tree tree drop down where you can see the features. It's also a smart search filter here as well. And here you see the different types of features we can select. In our case, I'm looking for the roads, so that goes to transportation, road. I also could have just typed in road, it's immediately filled. Same thing if you want buildings. So it's really quite responsive, works quite well. In this instance, I'm just going to check mark road. And as you see here, the geometry type, sorry, it's a line, and these are all the attribute keys that come along with it. So I'm going to pull everything, highway, name, surface, all of these attributes are coming in. So I'm happy with this selection for now. I'm going to hit next. And then you reach the summary page where, you're going to have all the information we just entered, the format, and some extra checkboxes here. I don't need to publish this export, I just want to create it. I'm going to zoom into my area where I need. You also go to search for it here. Let's go to some kids. Just going to draw a box. You can do a polygon. You can import a polygon as well if you have your own AOI for area. It could be like part of a parish, or maybe a section of the capital. So you can import it as well as draw it in the interface. In this case, I'll just grab everything on the 2 line masses. And then I'm just going to hit create export. It takes me to this sort of processing page. So here you see the information once again. This is my ID created by UNCS, my OSM ID. Formats again, and it's completed. So that went quite fast. That's why I like this tool actually. It's very, very quick and user friendly overall. So I'm just going to download a shapefile, save as, and let's go put it. Let's put it into temp. We're going to save. And now you can open up your local GIS project, and we're going to drag and drop that layer in. So just the shapefile, pull in, and there you see all of the road networks from the OSM layer zipped nicely and then extracted. Visualize here in QGIS. We can double check our attributes. You see all of the tags and attributes pulled as well. So it's not just the geometry, but also all this valuable information about the type of road, yeah, type of surface in the cases. If there's no entry, of course, null. It means you have some field work to do to populate these geometries. And then, yeah, in terms of coordinate system, it will be in a geographic system. So 4326 here. Of course, you can do your reprojections depending on what type of project you're working on. You can yeah, do all of the just GIS functions in terms of clipping, more if you need, overlaying, you can put in satellite imagery, changing visualization, symbology, all your basic functions. You can go ahead and manipulate and build your way out project-wise. So yeah, so let me know if this video was useful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or comments. Thanks.